Hi friends! Welcome back to Healify Hub. Are you over 50, struggling with knee pain and just tired of relying on medicines? Then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'm going to share a simple 2-minute exercise that can help reduce your knee pain and improve your mobility at the same time. So make sure you watch till the very end, and if you're new here, please subscribe and press that bell icon so you don't miss out. Friends, knee pain is an incredibly common problem, especially after the age of 50. In fact, statistics show that in countries like the USA and the UK, more than 60% of people over 50 suffer from it. So the big question is, why does this happen? Well, there are a few key reasons. First, as we age, the natural cushioning between our joints, called cartilage, slowly starts to wear down. This is known as cartilage degeneration. Second, if you're carrying extra weight, that puts a lot of pressure on your knees. Research shows that for every single extra pound of body weight, nearly 4 pounds of pressure is added to your knee joints. The third reason is weak muscles. When the muscles in your thighs and legs become weak, the entire load of your body shifts directly onto your knee joints, causing pain. And finally, living a sedentary lifestyle, meaning you sit for most of the day and don't move much, can make knee pain even worse. But please, don't worry, because the exercise I'm sharing today is a natural solution to help with these problems. Let's quickly understand the science behind it. This 2-minute exercise is specially designed to strengthen the knee joint and activate all the muscles surrounding it. First, it strengthens the thigh muscles that support your kneecap. When these muscles are strong, the pressure on the knee joint is naturally reduced. Second, this movement improves blood circulation. Better blood flow helps reduce inflammation and speeds up your body's own natural healing process. Third, this exercise stimulates the natural lubrication inside your knee joint, which makes movement smoother and prevents that awful stiffness. And fourth, with regular practice, you'll see your joint mobility improve and stiffness decrease. The best part? All of this happens naturally, without any medicines or painkillers. Now, let's get to the main part, the 2-minute exercise itself. Find a strong, sturdy wall to stand near. Place your back flat against the wall. Your feet should be about shoulder width apart and roughly 2 feet away from the wall. You can let your arms relax at your sides or cross them over your chest. Now slowly slide down the wall, as if you're about to sit on an invisible chair. Keep sliding down until your thighs are almost parallel to the floor. It's very important to make sure your knees do not go past your toes, and keep your back straight and pressed against the wall the whole time. Hold this position for 10 seconds while breathing normally. Now, staying in that same seated position, slowly straighten your right leg out in front of you. Flex your foot by pulling your toes back toward you. Hold it there for 5 seconds, then gently bring the leg back down. Now, repeat the exact same movement with your left leg. You're going to do 5 to 6 repetitions on each leg. The total time for this whole routine will be about 2 minutes. Remember to keep breathing steadily and never hold your breath. If you feel too much pain at the beginning, that's okay. You can stay slightly higher instead of going all the way down into a deep squat. Consistency is what really matters here, so please try to do this exercise every single day. If it feels difficult, just start with 3 or 4 repetitions and gradually increase as you get stronger. Always keep your movements smooth and controlled and avoid any jerky motions. See how simple that is? Just 2 minutes right at home with no special equipment at all. Now, let's talk about some important tips and precautions to keep in mind. Before you start, always do a light warm-up for about 30 seconds, something simple like marching your legs in place. Stay consistent. Whether you do it in the morning or evening, try for at least once a day. If you're doing standing exercises, please wear proper shoes with good grip to stay safe. Pay attention to your diet as well. Anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, ginger, fish, and green leafy vegetables can be very helpful. Also, drink plenty of water because hydration is absolutely essential for keeping your joints lubricated. A few important notes. If you have severe arthritis or have recently had knee surgery, you must consult your doctor before starting this exercise. If you feel any sharp or shooting pain while doing it, stop immediately. Pregnant women should only do this exercise under medical supervision. And if you have any balance issues, feel free to use a chair or a table for support. Remember, this exercise is meant for prevention and for mild to moderate pain. Severe cases always require a proper medical consultation. Now let's talk about results, because many people ask, when will I actually feel a difference? Well, in the first 1 to 2 weeks, you might feel a slight improvement. That morning stiffness might reduce, and movement will probably feel a little easier. In 3 to 4 weeks, you'll likely notice a clear reduction in your pain. Things like climbing stairs or just sitting down and standing up will become easier. In 5 to 8 weeks, you should experience a significant improvement. Your confidence in doing daily activities will increase, and your dependence on painkillers will likely decrease. And in about 3 months, you'll get the maximum benefit with stronger muscles and much better knee function. But please remember, every single body is different. Some people see results faster, while others take a little more time. That's why patience and consistency are the real keys to success. Many viewers on our channel have already tried this exercise and have shared some amazing results with us. A 65-year-old viewer told us her dependence on painkillers dropped by 80% in just 6 weeks. A 58-year-old gentleman shared that he now enjoys his morning walks without needing a knee brace at all. You can also share your experience in the comments below. It really helps motivate our entire community. So friends, that was today's simple yet incredibly powerful 2-minute exercise. I know that exercising when you're already in pain can feel difficult, but I encourage you to trust the process. This is natural healing that can provide long-term relief. Exercise daily, stay consistent, and please don't give up if it feels a little hard at first. Pay attention to your diet and your lifestyle, stay patient, and the results will come. If you found this video helpful, please press that like button. Share it with your family and friends who suffer from knee pain. And subscribe to Healify Hub for more natural health tips and remedies. Let us know in the comments if you're going to try this exercise, and feel free to ask any questions you have. I personally reply to them. I'll see you in the next video with more natural health solutions. Until then, stay healthy and stay happy. Allah Hafiz.